The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, is back at the Federal High Court, Abuja, for the case of alleged terrorism instituted against him by the federal government. He is received by his lawyers and family. Mr. Kanu's trial was told after Justice Nyako recused herself from the case following an oral application by the defendant on September 24, 2024. At the resumed hearing, Justice Nyako explained that although she does not want to preside over the case, the Chief Judge had refused her recusal and directed the defendant to file a formal motion asking for the reassignment of the case to another judge. Addressing the judge, Mr. Kanu said he does not recognize the authority of the court. The IPOP leader said he was only in court because of the respect he had for the court, adding that Justice Nyako no longer had the jurisdiction to preside over his case following her recusal in September. In his submission, the prosecution counsel urged the court to fix a date for trial, since the defendant had indicated that he would not make a formal application. In her ruling, Justice Binta Nyako said the only decision is to adjourn the case indefinitely, though Mr. Kanu raised objection. However, she adjourned the case indefinitely.
An old man like this doesn't know the law.
Shortly after the court proceeding, Mr. Kanu and his lawyers speak on the issues surrounding the case.
The prosecution and this court doesn't know the law. That is the fact. Yes. Poor knowledge of the law is killing Nigeria. Poor knowledge of the law, they don't know the law. This is a federal gazetted law of Nigeria that says here that the Chief Judge of Nigeria cannot tell Binta Nyako what to do. It's here. It's your law. Just obey it.
So we came here today on a limited appearance. We appeared under protest out of utmost respect for the judge and for the court, to listen to the court as to the reasons why we were invited before the same court that was recused in September last year.
One of his lawyers pleaded with the federal government to be fair and release him, as has been done with other agitators.
Nnamdi Kanu is feeling that Nigeria is not fair to him. He's just a human rights activist agitating for self-determination with reasons.
Now that the case of Nnamdi Kanu has been adjourned indefinitely, many Nigerians are waiting to see how it will play out whenever the case comes up again in court. From the Federal High Court, Abuja, Emanuela Ekele, Channels Television News.